Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Glamour Wash is probably one of the most sought-after laundry detergents for those who demand the absolute best for their delicate and high-end garments, promising a clean that not only removes dirt and stains but also preserves the integrity and luxurious feel of fabrics that typically require special care, ensuring your most cherished clothing items remain vibrant and pristine wash after wash. Number 5. Tyler Glam Wash Laundry Detergent. Introducing the Tyler Glam Wash, a premium laundry detergent designed to elevate your fabrics. It provides a powerful clean while infusing your clothes with a delightful fragrance. Indulge in the signature scent that Tyler Glam Wash is known for. This detergent not only cleans but also leaves a lasting, sophisticated aroma on your garments. Formulated for both efficacy and fabric care, it gently lifts stains and dirt. Your clothes will emerge fresh, vibrant, and beautifully scented after every wash. This large 128 fluid ounces bottle ensures you have plenty of detergent for numerous loads. Enjoy extended freshness and a superior clean for your entire wardrobe. Part of the exclusive Diva collection, this detergent offers an unparalleled laundry experience. Treat yourself and your clothes to the ultimate in luxury and cleanliness. Make laundry day a more pleasant experience with this exceptional detergent. It's the perfect addition to any home seeking a touch of glamour and superior cleaning power. What we like. This is the largest size available, offering the best value for frequent laundry needs. If you have a big family or do laundry often, this is the most cost-effective option. It ensures you won't run out of your favorite detergent anytime soon. What people say. This is a great product that leaves clothes smelling amazing. It works wonders on tough stains and leaves clothes looking like new. The scent is long-lasting and very pleasant. Number 4. Tyler Glamour Wash Laundry Detergent. Discover the ultimate laundry experience with Tyler Glamour Washington. It's designed to keep your clothes looking and feeling their best. This high-maintenance formula is perfect for your most delicate fabrics. It provides a deep clean while being gentle on your garments. Get more washes with our generous 32 fluid ounce bottle. It offers excellent value and long-lasting performance for your laundry needs. Enjoy the signature luxurious scent that Tyler Glamour Wash leaves on your clothes. It's a fragrance that will make your laundry feel like a treat. Our detergent is tough on stains but gentle on colors and fabrics. Experience a superior clean that preserves the quality of your wardrobe. Transform your everyday laundry into a luxurious ritual. It's the perfect way to care for your favorite clothing items. What we like. This smaller size is perfect for those who want to try the signature scent without committing to a large bottle. Its concentrated formula means a little goes a long way, providing excellent value and a lingering fragrance. If you appreciate a strong, luxurious scent and want to maintain a smaller household's laundry needs, this is a great choice. What people say. The Glamour Wash High Maintenance is a high-quality laundry detergent that effectively removes tough stains. Its advanced formula is designed to protect delicate fabrics while ensuring a deep clean. The detergent leaves clothes smelling fresh and looking vibrant after each wash. Number 3. Tyler Gallon High Maintenance Laundry Detergent. Discover the ultimate cleaning power with our high maintenance laundry detergent. It's designed to tackle tough stains and leave your clothes smelling amazing. Experience a superior clean that goes beyond the ordinary. Its concentrated formula ensures a little goes a long way, providing exceptional value. Our detergent is formulated to be gentle on all your fabrics while remaining incredibly effective against dirt and grime. Keep your clothes looking their best for longer. Whether it's everyday wear or special garments, this detergent is the perfect choice. Enjoy the confidence of brilliantly clean and fresh-smelling laundry every time. Make laundry day a more pleasant experience. Choose our high-maintenance detergent for a difference you can see and smell. What we like. This offers a substantial amount of detergent, balancing value with convenience. It's designed for effective cleaning while providing a generous supply for regular use. If you're looking for a good balance between quantity and performance for your everyday laundry, this size is ideal. What people say. The Glamour Wash High Maintenance is a highly effective laundry detergent that tackles tough stains with ease. Its advanced formula is designed to protect fabric colors and prevent fading, keeping your clothes looking new for longer. The detergent leaves clothes with a fresh and pleasant scent, enhancing the overall laundry experience. Number 2. Tyler Candle Co. High Maintenance Glamorous Wash. Experience the exquisite scent of high maintenance. This luxurious wash is designed to elevate your everyday routine. Our signature high-maintenance fragrance is a captivating blend of floral and citrus notes. It leaves a lasting impression of sophistication. This gentle formula cleanses and nourishes your skin without stripping its natural moisture. Enjoy a soft, supple feel after every use. Looking for a special gift? High-maintenance Glamorous Wash is a perfect choice for anyone who appreciates fine fragrances and pampering. Transform your bath or shower into a spa-like experience. Immerse yourself in the rich lather and enchanting aroma. Enjoy the beautiful scent that lingers on your skin throughout the day. It's the perfect way to feel refreshed and confident. What we like? This product is all about the experience, delivering a truly glamorous wash. It's perfect for those who want their clothes to not only be clean but also smell exquisite. If you seek a premium laundry experience and love a sophisticated, long-lasting aroma, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a great product that works well. I love this product and it has a great design. The product is very functional and has many features. Number 1. Tyler's Diva Glam Wash Laundry Detergent. Experience the ultimate in laundry care with Tyler's Diva Glam Washington. This powerful detergent leaves your clothes brilliantly clean and fresh. Infused with a captivating scent, it transforms your everyday laundry into a luxurious experience. Get ready for a new level of clean. Its advanced formula tackles tough stains while remaining gentle on fabrics. Enjoy pristine results with every wash. This 64 fluid ounces bottle provides ample detergent for all your laundry needs. It's the perfect addition to your laundry room. Choose Tyler's Diva Glam Wash for a superior clean and an unforgettable fragrance. Elevate your laundry routine today. What we like? This offers a convenient mid-size option, perfect for those who want a good amount without the bulk of a gallon. It provides a balanced scent experience that's noticeable but not overpowering. If you're looking for a reliable detergent with a pleasant, signature fragrance for a medium-sized household, this is a solid pick. What people say. The Glamour Wash High Maintenance is a high-quality detergent designed for delicate fabrics. It effectively cleans without damaging silk, lace, or other sensitive materials. The formula is gentle yet powerful, preserving the color and texture of garments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.